Don't press the screen.
Press again.
No.
I'm an insect, a fun insect, but I have a piece missing because my jaws are super scary, and I have 6 legs, just like all insects do, and one piece is missing from my tail, and also I have a beard, and I have a square, and I'm bald, and my head is the shape of a square, and also I have, and also I scare vehicles, and that's that's my name. My name is Insect.
Underwear.
Underwear.